Learn how to make the autumn lace cowl. I'm going to use Scarfie Lite and an 8mm hook. Here's the pattern, multiples of 6, chain multiples of 6 till you have the size you want. Then join with a slip stitch to the first chain. For the first row, we're going to do chain 3, skip 2, make a shell, skip 2, double crochet. Chain 3, skip 2, make a shell, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. That's your first shell. Skip 2 chains, make a double crochet. Skip 2 chains, make a shell, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Skip 2 more chains, make another double crochet. Do this all the way around, and then join with a slip stitch to the third chain of your chain 3. For the next row, this is your repeat row. You're going to chain 3, and you're going to make a shell every place you have a shell. So that's 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. You're going to double crochet into each double crochet and make shells where you have shells. Make a double crochet in there and then do that all the way around. Slip stitch to the third chain of your starting chain 3, and then repeat that row till you have the height you like. Then you're going to turn it around to do the bottom edge. We're going to attach the yarn, chain 3, and where we did our first shell, we're going to do another shell. 2 double crochets, a chain 1, and 2 double crochets into that original chain. Then you're going to do a double crochet into the chain where you did a double crochet, and then shells into where you did your shells. Do that all the way around, slip stitch to the third chain, and you are all done. Check out the link below for the more in-depth tutorial with more options on how you can make this cowl in other ways as well.